My purpose here, or intention, is to enable Alexa to turn on my furnace fan only. I'd like to circulate the cool air in my basement up through the upper floor of my home without actually triggering the compressor on the air conditioner, and I'm not able to do that without this little hack. So I'm going to show you how to use your Nest or maybe other smart thermostat, I don't know, I suppose it should work, and Alexa or maybe other smart home devices to trigger your furnace fan and circulate that air through your home. Okay, here's my attempt to turn my furnace fan on using Alexa and a smart plug. I use this for my gas fireplace in the winter and it works awesome. So I've got just a small extension cord here. Probably a grounded one would be better since these plugs have a ground. So this plugs into the outlet under my fireplace, and I'm going to plug it in down here for my furnace. See if we can get it to work. This is a smart plug. There's a manual on. This plug's named fireplace for Alexa purposes. This is a 10-volt plug. So 120 goes in and then 10 volts comes out, which is enough to trigger this relay here. Try to get a good shot of that. So I just bought this for like 20 bucks on Amazon. My fireplace, I just put the two contacts here from the switch underneath the fireplace, here and here. And when this relay gets power from this being turned on, it makes a connection here. And so it's like flipping a switch on. When I say Alexa fireplace off, this smart switch right here turns off power to here, turns off power to here, and this opens up this circuit here and shuts the fireplace off. So I'm going to try it down here. This is the G, that's where the G wire goes, which is the fan wire on my Nest. And so I've had this green wire on there. But what I'm going to do is connect this to this half and then put another connection from here up to here. And we'll see if having Alexa turn this on will activate this, which will activate that. Of course, on my Nest, I'm going to have my fan running continuously. That's going to be the setting, but that won't actually run continuously. It'll just be telling it to run continuously, but it'll be broken by this circuit until this is switched on with Alexa. All right, so seems to have success. Power plugged into a power source, into the smart switch, into a little transformer, into this relay. And I've got these, this goes directly to the G on the furnace, and this is actually running to my thermostat. And when this is triggered, either manually or via Alexa, the fan furnace comes on and circulates the cool air from my basement upstairs and acts a little bit like the air conditioning without turning it on. So let's give this a whirl and see if it works. Alexa, turn on the AC fan. Switched it on. The relay connected. The circuit, flipped on the AC fan. Now, Nest is going to show the fans running all the time because of the settings. Even though it's not running right now, it needs to think it is. So the smart switch can turn it on and off at will.